Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna learn how to write the conditional statement in a short or shorthand or shortcut way. So I'm just gonna get rid of some of the codes that I have written on my earlier lecture. I'm just gonna keep all the variable along with their values, and I'm gonna type if, then I'm gonna set my condition A is less or equal than B. We're gonna end our statement with a colon, then space, then we're gonna type print, get inside the parentheses, add single quote, and we're gonna type this is true. Why this condition is true? Because if you look at the operators that we have used in our condition, it says that A less than or equal, so A is less than B. So one condition is true. So if we right click run it, then we're gonna have this string value on our code runner. As you can see, we have this is true printed out in our code runner. So now I'm gonna show you how to add else part along with this shorthand way of writing the conditional statement. So we're gonna type print, add parentheses, get inside single quote, and we're gonna type print this, then we're gonna type if. So it kind of works like the plain English language, right? So we're gonna print this if A is less than B, right? Else we're gonna print this. Okay, so very straightforward, very simple. So all we are trying to do is to print this part if our first condition is true. If not, then we're gonna print this. Right click run it. As you can see that we've got print this printed out on our code runner. Why? Because A is less than B, and if you look at the values, then you'll see that A has a smaller value than B. So that's pretty much it about writing conditional statement in a shortcut way. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.